In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the word count in Google Docs, Word, and Pages. Whether you're meeting an assignment limit, drafting a blog post, or keeping your writing concise, knowing your word count is a simple but essential skill. I'll walk you through the quickest ways on desktop and mobile, along with a few helpful tips so you can check your progress without breaking your flow. Let's start with Google Docs. On a computer, open your document and head to the top menu. Click Tools, then Word Count. A small window will pop up showing your total words, along with other details like pages and characters. If you prefer a shortcut, press Ctrl+Shift+C on Windows or Command+Shift+C on a Mac. On your phone or tablet using the Google Docs app, tap the three-dot menu in the top corner and select Word Count. Here's a handy tip. You can choose to show the word count while you type. That keeps a small counter visible as you write, so you don't have to stop and check. Next, Microsoft Word. On desktop, the fastest way to see word count is to look at the status bar at the bottom of the window. You'll see the total words for the entire document right there. If you prefer the menu route, go to the Review tab and select Word Count. In some versions, you might find it under Tools, then Word Count. If you only want the count for a specific section, highlight that text first. The status bar and the word count dialog will show the number of words in your selection, which is great for checking a chapter, a paragraph, or any excerpt without affecting the rest of your document. Finally, Apple Pages. On a Mac, click View in the top menu and choose Show Word Count. A small word count bar will appear, typically at the bottom of the window. On iPhone or iPad, open your document, tap the three-dot menu, and toggle word count on. The word count bar isn't just for words. It can display characters with and without spaces, paragraphs, and pages. You can also drag the bar to move it to a more convenient spot or hide it when you don't need it, keeping your workspace clean while still giving you quick access when it matters. That's all you need to keep track of your word count across Google Docs, Microsoft Word, and Apple Pages. Use these built-in tools to stay on target and write with confidence.